Hey, this is Mr. CJ coming to you live from sunny San Diego, California. And I'm here to share with the creditsecret.org another win for the Johnson family. Managed to get a loan today without a credit check. I got $2,600. And I'm here to show you that if you work the program does work. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. $2,600 I got without a credit check, and because of my knowledge and awareness of how to work with the money that I get to my access, I'm going to strategically use this to boost my FICOs. The Credit Secret does work if you're willing to work the system. This is CJ coming to you live from sunny San Diego, California, signing off. If you wanted more information, get at me at 808-780-5485 is my cell, or you can send me an email at cj@bigblockrealty.com. Signing off. Sayonara. See ya.